Garden Trends 2018, make the most of your outdoor space. 1. Outdoor living. According to award-winning garden designer John Wire FSGD, outdoor structures are set to be big in 2018, and not just your average summer house. Plug-and-play pergolas, with integrated drainage, lighting and heating will be the must-have garden feature, while outdoor kitchens will also continue to grow in popularity, with dedicated spaces for cooking, eating and entertaining becoming a central focus. 2. Asymmetry. While polygonal paving was big at RHS Chelsea last year, it's all about asymmetry in 2018, believes the Society of Garden Designers. Prepare to see a contemporary update on the classic crazy paving with large-scale natural indigenous stones, says Cassandra Crouch MSGD. Gardens will also feel less structured, as geometric lines and hard surfaces are softened by planting, and edges are broken down to create the feeling of a garden that has been there for years. 3. Ecological gardens. Designer James Scott MSGD believes that gardens designed to benefit the environment and encourage wildlife will also be big in 2018, with native plants and locally sourced materials becoming increasingly popular. Similarly, as interest in producing our own food continues to grow, we will see a trend towards edible planting, with greenhouses making a comeback. 4. Copper. Copper, both as a material and color, will make a big impact in 2018, according to Paul Hensey FSGD. Weathering to a beautiful bluish-green patina, hard landscaping in copper can provide a wonderful sense of warmth to planting and a contrast to surrounding gravel, stone or wood. 5. Wood defect tiles. We've already seen them becoming increasingly popular in interior design, and now wood defect porcelain tiles look set to become a trend in garden design, suggests designer John Wire FSGD, who first used them 2 years ago on his award-winning garden at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show. Hard-wearing, scratch, stain and heat-resistant, in 2018 we'll see them used for both flooring and cladding in a variety of patterns.